If you haven't already watched the video on how to pack the trunk, the link to it's up here. Today we're going to go over how we pack the Tour-Pak for whether it's a 2-week trip, a 4-week trip, a 6-week trip. How we pack the Tour-Pak, why we pack what we pack, how we pack it. Before we get started, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It helps us out a lot. So let's look at how we pack the Tour-Pak. I already have my manual, my insurance, my extended warranty in here. I have eye drops. Always carry eye drops. You never know when you're going to need eye drops on the road. I also have my USB plug here, so I can charge stuff in the Tour-Pak as we're going down the road. And some of you may notice this safety tether here. If you haven't seen the video, it's up in the upper left corner here on this safety tether for the Tour-Pak. So just like in the trunk or the saddlebags, we pack the biggest things first. So the first thing going in is the computer. Computer goes right in the bottom here. Okay, and we leave it enough room that we can put some stuff along the sides there, because we're going to put two things. We're going to put two things there right now. One is sunscreen and the other is bear spray. If you're going where there's bears, you want to have some bear spray. Okay, the next is any kind of atlas, milepost. If you're going up to Alaska, any kind of atlas, road atlas, paper that you want to keep can go right there on top of the computer. The next thing is electrical stuff. If you have a GoPro or camera equipment, put that in. And I'm going to put this actually put this down. It's a little bigger, so I'm putting it on the bottom. And then that. All right. And then we didn't have room for this electric jacket in the trunk, so we're going to put it up here. We have some food that we want easy access to that won't fit into there. We have a bag of electronics, different electronics and cables. Both of these have that in there, so I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to put this one down in this little corner here. We have extra gloves. Put that down in here for when I'm working and Mary wants to do some embroidery. Put that right there. This is Mary's cool vest, and then this is her neck warmers for if it's cold. I'll put that right here. Put the cool vest right here. This is a portable air pump, USB rechargeable. We put this here, some extra glasses here, a brush. Let's get the air out of this. We don't need to be packing extra air. A brush and Mary's purse. And you go, wow, that's sticking up over the top. You can fit a lot more than that in there. That's not even a full Tour-Pak. Put the cooler right here and put the rain suits, which you may need in an emergency at any given time, right here, and bungee cord them down. Here's the bungees. Oh, and you'll notice that the Tour-Pak rack that I've had on my last 3 or 4 bikes is the style that has hooks for bungee cords in all 4 corners. It makes things much easier, much easier. And I know people are going to ask what brand it is. This is Kuryakin. And yeah, some Koreakan stuff has trouble with chrome and other people don't have trouble with the chrome. I've not had trouble with the chrome on any of the ones I've had, but I don't get it for the chrome. I get it because I want to load stuff on here and it has the hooks in the corners, and it's infinitely easier for Mary to bungee cord this stuff down with hooks. And no, Mary does not get into the zippered area while we're going down the road, but you'll see there's a pocket on both sides, and she puts snacks in both of these pockets. So while we're going down the road, if I tell her, hey, I'm hungry, I want a snack, or if she's hungry, she wants a snack, she can get into either one of these pockets as we're going down the road and get me some food, get herself some food. So just bungee that down. Now, once that's bungeed down, when you go to open the Tour-Pak, it's a two-person job. It's a lot of weight that's on there. So when this is bungee corded down, when you lift it up, all that weight's on the Tour-Pak. So when we go to lift it up, when we go to open the Tour-Pak with this stuff on there, one of us holds it so there's not all too much stress on the hinges, and the other roots around in the Tour-Pak to get whatever we want. The other thing is, on some of our trips, if we're going to a remote area, we take, instead of having this up here, we have a 3 or 4 gallon gas can here. Now there's not a lot of areas where you need gas cans, but there are some where you do want to carry a gas can. We put a 3 or 4 gallon gas can right here, and then we're going to have to put our rain suits down in there, and that's when things get tighter in the trunk. Hope that helps. You all ride safe out there.